When I was cleaning out my raised beds, getting ready for the current season, I found a ton of grubs and other bugs that I do not want in my raised beds. So I am going to be adding beneficial nematodes to my garden.
Beneficial nematodes are microscopic parasitic worms that will go down into your soil and will kill off the bad guys. For me specifically, I'd like to target lawn grubs, fleas, and fungus gnats. Beneficial nematodes can help eliminate so many other bad garden players and leaves the good guys alone. But if you are targeting something in particular, look up which kinds will do that for you because you might be able to save money and just get a package with just those beneficial nematodes. This package that I have has 3 different kinds that I cannot pronounce, but I am hoping these will help balance out my ecosystem a bit since I have a few infestations of different kinds of insects. And these are the directions here on the back. It seems pretty simple. You need to do it either in the morning or in the evening, not when it's super hot out. It's evening right now, so it's the perfect time. The directions say to get a bucket of water and then put your nematodes in to activate them, and you water the area you want to apply them in first, and then you can pour your nematodes into a watering can and water the area. So it seems easy enough, so let's get to it. I'm going to water all of my beds to prep them for the application, and this bed in particular had a really bad issue of lawn grubs, so I'm going to be more thorough with this bed. All of my utility buckets currently have compost in them, so I am going to use this. I'm going to rinse it out a bit. I don't really think it matters much since it's all going into soil, but it doesn't hurt to give it a little rinse here. All right, nematode time. And if you're wondering, you can get beneficial nematodes online, but I would check with the local nursery first because shipping for nematodes is expensive since they need to be refrigerated before you activate them. So they usually get rush shipping on them. So if you can find them locally, it's worth it. Okay, so I am just opening up this package. I probably should have used actual scissors, but I'm a gardener. I'm going to use my pruning shears. So here we are. And here's the package. And they are mixed in with some kind of inert powder. And remember, these nematodes are microscopic, so I won't be able to see them even after activation unless I take a microscope to them. This also kind of reminds me of sea monkeys, so this is like the gardener's version of that, I guess, even if I won't ever see them. And the package says to apply within 6 hours of activation, so that's not a problem, but I'm only going to use about half of this package for now. I will do more applications later to kind of stagger them a bit, or in case I find more problem areas that I want to apply them in. So I'll have to put these back in my refrigerator when I'm done here. Now I'm filling this up with some water so I can get them activated. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these guys in here. Get this opened up. And like I said, I'm not going to use the entire package here. And I'm going to mix it up a bit, and it says to let them sit for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to make sure all of the beds have been watered enough. So now that it's been a few minutes, I'm going to transfer this nematode mixture into my watering can. I probably could have mixed them straight into the watering can, but the opening to my watering can is narrow, so I figured this is probably better. And now I'm just watering them into all of my beds. This was pretty easy to do, and hopefully I see a lot less garden pests this year.